It's Friday, it's Friday. Let's all jump for Friday. It's Friday, it's Friday. Jump around for Friday.
Ooh, knock your head.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2.
All right, guys. It's Friday. It's Friday. City Belle, you excited that it's Friday? You know doing a Friday dance? It's Friday. It's Friday. No? No Friday dance for you? Sadie's not excited that it's Friday. That's okay. All right, so it's Friday, and you know what that means? That means that today's assignment is going to be on your own. Show me that you understand frequency tables and stem and leaf plots and all of those things we've been learning this week. There's a couple of things. So we are doing Thinking Up pages 365 and 366. All right, some of which you will be, there's just answers that you have to put in, and others of which you actually going to be creating some stem and leaf plots and some frequency tables and some dot plots. All right, I'm going to put in my little charger thing because I've been running low on battery today. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, for the Thinking Up, page 365, we're starting with use the stem and leaf plot to answer questions 1 and 2. Coach Garcia created this stem and leaf plot to show the numbers of sit-ups that his students could complete. So it looks like here are the numbers of sit-ups right here. Okay. Looks like our key shows us 1/2 equals 12. So there were 12 students, 12, 15, 16, 16, 19, 19. All right, so on and so forth. So number 1, Coach Garcia also created this frequency table to display the data. So you have, something different. We haven't seen this yet. These are the numbers between 10 and 19. How many times did you see numbers between 10 and 19? How many times did you see the numbers between 20 and 29? And how many times did you see the numbers between 30 and 39? So here you will have 3 numbers. Let's say it's a 7, a 9, and a 4. Down here you would look for what answer choice is 794. Now obviously 794 is not the answer because that's not a choice. But so fill in the frequency table and then choose the answer right there. And then number 2, what is the most frequent number of sit-ups completed by Coach Garcia's students? So which number did you see most often? All right, for numbers 3 through 5, you're going to use this dot plot to answers 3 through 5. This is a breeder kept a record of birth weights of the toy poodles. He used the dot plot to display the data. So you have a toy poodle, you have 4 ounces, 4.5, and 5. So think about what number would be between 4 and 4.5, and what number would be between 4.5 and 5 as far as fractions concerned. Okay. And number 3, based on the dot plot, which is not a true statement. Okay, so this is one of those weird questions where the one that is wrong is right because it wants to know which one's not true. So when it's true, okay, if it is true about this, then it's not the answer. When it's wrong about this, then it is the answer. Number 4, how many toy poodles weighed more than 4 3/4 ounces? So figuring out on this dot plot, where is 4 3/4? Think about where that falls between 2 whole numbers. And then number 5, what is the total number of toy poodles represented on the dot plot? So how many toy poodles did he take information about? Those are pretty easy as far as getting the answers onto your slide because that is just going to be like an A, B, C, D kind of thing. But the other ones on the back here, going to do just like we did on the page before yesterday when we created our own dot plot and we created our own frequency table. So number 6 says, Coach Dodd created this table to show the height of the girls on the basketball team. Place a dot on the dot plot to represent each girl's height. Okay, so here is the different heights right here, okay? And then here is the height of the players. So on your screen, on your slide, you're just going to do just like we did yesterday. This right here is really big. On your slide, just do just like we did yesterday and create the little circles and put them where they need to go for the dot plots. But then also answer number 7. Write a statement that is true about the data shown on the dot plot in question 6. So just write a basic true statement, something that is true about the information that you have there, okay? All right, at this point, if you are listening, we are going to put I don't know if we have done this color already. Let's do green, a green lightning bolt somewhere on this page. Put a green lightning bolt somewhere on this page. Okay, so number 8, here we go. Gilbert received these grades in social studies class. All right, so he has grades ranging from 78 all the way to 100. Create the stem and leaf plot to display the grades. Be sure to include a key. So you have this leaf plot blown up really big on your screen. Okay, you're just going to create a text box where you can do your stem and leaf plot with those numbers, and then make sure you do a key. I like for your key to be represented by the lowest number that's on the stem and leaf plot. All right, and then number 9. Barney surveys a group of students to determine their favorite school subjects. 5 students vote for math as their favorite subject. 6 students prefer science. 4 students prefer reading. And 4 students prefer art. Complete the frequency table to display Barney's data. So all the information that is here is going to go into this frequency table. So you're just going to create text boxes in order to finish the frequency table. And that is all we have. Sadie Bell, do you have anything else to add for this week? No? Nothing at all to add for this week? She says no. I'm done with stem and leaf plots. I'm done with dot plots. I'm done with frequency tables. Okay, so that is it, boys and girls. I will see, I can see you right there. There we are. Okay, that is it, boys and girls. See you next week. Bye.